Namaskar. Today, all across India, people gather to celebrate Saraswati Puja, a special day dedicated to the revered goddess of knowledge, wisdom, and music. Let's dive into the vibrant celebrations in Kokrajhar, where the rich cultural heritage shines brightly as people honor Maa Saraswati. Maa Saraswati, representing purity and enlightenment, holding the veena, an instrument that echoes wisdom, she inspires students and seekers to seek knowledge. In Kokrajhar, there's a buzz of excitement as colleges and schools get ready for Saraswati Puja. Students dressed in traditional clothes fill the campuses with reverence. The educational institutions transform into colorful spaces adorned with flowers, incense, and glowing diyas. With exams approaching, students take a break from their studies to pray for Saraswati's blessings. They hope to excel in their academic pursuits. Teachers and staff come together to ensure the puja is a success. Unlike other festivals, this one is all about education and the quest for wisdom. Our team from Eastern Paradigm visited Kokrajhar's educational hubs to capture the essence of Saraswati Puja. The rustle of silk, the smell of incense, and the chants filling the air. As the sunlight bathes the idols in gold, we invite you to witness this sacred event. Join us as we explore Saraswati Puja. Students place books, pens, and instruments at Saraswati's feet, seeking her blessings. As the puja ends, hearts are filled with hope, the promise of knowledge and excellence. Saraswati Puja leaves a lasting impression on Kokrajhar. May the goddess bless us all with wisdom, creativity, and the courage to pursue knowledge tirelessly.